This is Rob Liefeld. Kai Reviewed is going down.
Hey guys, we got a trailer here for Black Lightning from Comic-Con 2019. Let's jump this into it and see what we have to react to. Well, so far they've all been mostly recaps with a bit of new voiceover, but seems like that's what they all are. Which I feel like none of them have really gotten. None of the Arrowverse shows have really gotten to the point where they've excited any. Like, I don't think they were going to bring any new viewers to the show just because of these trailers.
By any means necessary.
Which is that whole point of a trailer, to advertise the movie, the season type thing. Yeah, I'm excited to see a bit more of them in costume and stuff.
Sure there's no more secrets between us. I'm a cop, you a vigilante. Are we good? We're good. Oh, hell no. You got all this fancy tech down here. Do you provide me with this cheap-ass phone? You really don't understand what position you put me in as a deputy chief or as a friend. Anyone who knows who Black Lightning is winds up getting hurt.
So now they jumping out of body bags and coming back from the dead? I mean, it's like the end days.
Dr. Jace, I'm Dr. Lynn Stewart. I'd like to include you in a team working to save the victims of the Green Light experiments.
The pod kids.
She's insane, Agent Odell.
Well, hello to you too. Scientifically, I'm Beethoven. But Dr. Stewart is Mozart, and you'll need us both to keep the pod kids alive.
What's happening?
14 of the vaccine kids will survive.
No!
You should be proud of yourself.
I mean,
Have you not seen the news lately? I'm an upstanding citizen.
this is just a recap, not even with good voiceover teasing the next season. Flash and Supergirl had like voiceovers for the new seasons. Flash had from the villain teasing the villain.
One day to live. Who would I want to spend that day with? I only came up with one name. You.
Ah, that'll be cool dealing with that storyline.
Grace!
Jen, I can't see nothing.
Can you see now? Did you have sex with him?
How did you know that was a conversation? Two good-looking teenagers on the run, in danger. I ain't gotta be Miss Cleo to figure that out.
I told you I'd always have your back.
A little bit out of order there.
In the same direction. So I've come up with a code. 3 rules that we will follow. Rule number 1, we don't tell anybody who we are. Who the hell are you?
Call me Lightning.
Wow. She's barely breaking a sweat. She's already kicking out more energy than you did in your prime.
You calling me old? So my hot-headed 16-year-old daughter is a walking nuclear bomb. And she is extremely powerful.
Okay, recap. Boring.
I don't want you to hurt yourself.
This is not the life I wanted for you. Rule number 2. No going it alone, doing anything power-related, okay? You always have backup.
Gamby counts?
Gamby counts.
I got you.
We need to raise well over $500,000.
The clinic is running out of time. If I don't help, then I'll just be wasting the gifts that God gave me.
Praise the Lord.
That's what your father always used to say.
Rule number 3. We don't kill, ever.
Dad, Tobias killed Khalil. And he tried to kill you.
I have not forgotten anything that Tobias has done to me, believe me.
Tobias needs to go, and you know that.
You think I never caught any lead?
Masters of disaster. Super medicine.
A covert ASA-run program to turn violent inmates into medics.
Now it all begins.
I don't know, there's just no energy in this trailer. It's not really kind of doing it. I'm waiting for some more stuff.
Our neighbors in a time of need. See, I praise God for sending us Black Light, an angel of justice to fight that evil. I praise God that He gave us thunder to protect and inspire us. I'm telling you, be ye man, a woman, or metahuman, we all have a part to play.
Allow me to welcome you to the pit. Abandon all hope.
They better not. Okay, here we go. Now we're probably get some new stuff.
Individuals in this room, the only ones that know the truth about the Pierces.
Yes, sir.
Let's Let's keep it that way. The Markovians have a stockpile of metahumans in pods, the largest on Earth. I'm swearing in Black Lightning, Thunder, and whatever you're calling yourself, young lady. The Markovian War is coming. And Freeland is ground zero.
That'd be quite cool. Nothing? Oh, come on. Nothing at all? What a waste. Oh my god. What a bad trailer. Like, doesn't he have anything new? And it doesn't really get you excited for anything. I mean, maybe it's because I've seen everything, but they show you all the punches, and I don't know. I just didn't feel like it was who's the target audience for this? It's not for someone who's already seen the show, and I don't think it's for someone who hasn't seen any of the show to try and get them to watch the show, because it just shows all the spoiler moments. You know, it doesn't really tease all the stuff that happened and is like, oh wow, that was interesting, I forgot, how did that happen, you know? Or even if it's a really good trailer that's, you know, meant to just bring in new audience, right? It would be so good that the people who have watched the show would be like, oh, I forgot about what happened there, let me go back and watch that now, you know? Especially with it available on Netflix, you know, you can easily just pop on and go, how did this one solve? And if you've already watched it, you could go back to that episode, right? That would be really cool. But this just kind of like, wow, this is a waste of my time doing this, watching this video. So let me know what you think, guys, about this trailer in the comments below, this recap thing. Yeah, let me know what you think in the comments below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.
We're here for Kyle Reviewed on YouTube, the very best Kyle Reviewed channel on all the YouTube Kyle Reviewed channels. You got that? You got that right? Thank you for watching Kyle Reviewed. Deadpool and I thought it was fantastic. You need to like, you need to subscribe. You know how it's done? Like, subscribe. Right, DP? All right, Kyle Reviewed. Cool channel.